Good morning, students. Today we will study the economic importance of fiber, the kenaf or bimili jute. It is produced from Hibiscus cannabinus. In Hindi, it is known as mesta. It belongs to family Malvaceae. Bimli jute is a native of India and has been cultivated since a long time all over the country. The chief area of cultivation are Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh. It is also cultivated in Java, Nigeria, Iran, Egypt, and as a commercial crop. The Kinaf plant is a herbaceous annual having an erect, straight, slender, and glabrous stem 8 to 12 feet in height and bearing palmately lobed leaves. Large yellow flower with crimson centers are borne in axillary position. The fruit is a globose capsule bearing large brown pointed seed. It is a tropical crop growing best in the humid area, receiving 50 to 80 centimeter of rainfall. It requires well-drained light black or sandy alluvial loamy soil. It may be cultivated as a broader crop or as a mixed crop along with the jowar, bajra, rice and cotton. Harvesting of the crop is done during the flowering but before seed formation has started. The cut or the uprooted plant are dried in the sun and the leaves and flowers are removed. The plant are then retted by placing them vertically with a root and dipped in water for 2 to 3 days and then immersed horizontally in water for 10 to 20 days for complete retting. The fiber is extracted from the soft wood, washed clean and sun dried. The phloem fiber lying just outside the cambium constitute the fiber of the commerce. The strands of fiber are 5 to 10 feet in length and are composed of a unit fiber 1.5 to 5 mm in length and 10 to 30 micrometer in diameter. They are cylindrical in shape with a thick wall and small lumen. The fibers of kinaf are harsher, coarser, more brittle and inflexible than the jute but are equally lustrous. They, however, not more easily when exposed to moisture. The uses of fibers of the knaf are used along in combination with jute. Some of its important uses are it is used for preparing fishing net, cordage and to a small extent canvas and sack cloth. Mesta fibers are often used as a substitute for jute. The mesta fiber of poor quality are used in the manufacture of paper. Next, we will study further. We will study about the Bohemia nivea. It is Hindi. It is known as Kakurmukhura and it belongs to family Utricaceae. Remi is a native of Asia and was cultivated by the Chinese since early time. In India, it is grown in Assam and Bengal, and it is cultivated extensively in China, Japan, Java, and Eastern Island. The plant is a herbaceous, perennial, or shrubby habit, being unbranched under the cultivated condition. The slender stem is about 4 to 6 feet in height and bear heart-shaped leaf. The stem quality brass fiber are extracted by long and laborious process. The stem are retted in water and then the bark, the outer portion and the green tissue are scraped off, exposing the fiber. The heavily gum-coated fiber undergo further treatment to yield the strong and lustrous fiber. Rami are known as the Chinese grass and is the strongest fibers known, but they lack flexibility and strong cohesive property. Rami is used variously, such as it is used in the manufacture of grass cloth and dress goods. The fiber is used in the manufacture of hosiery, threads and paper. Bohemia nivea variety Tena Christina, known as the Rhea, resemble Rami and is used commercially along with the Rami fiber. Then the Chinese jute or Indian mallow belongs to the family Malvaceae. In Hindi, it is known as Nahani and The botanical name is Abuletum theophragsti. The annual plant is extensively grown in China and has been introduced into United States. The fiber of the plant are coarse, grayish, white, and considerable tensile strength and a characteristic luster. The fiber you are used are readily taken by dye and are used for making colorful carpets in China. They are also used for making papers. Other fibers obtained from a number of different plants are also of minor commercial value. They are the Himalayan nettle, Gradania heterophylla. In Hindi it is known as bichwa, and then if belongs to family Utricaceae. The fiber obtained from this perennial herb is used for making ropes, twins, and rough cloth. East Indian screw tree. It is known as Helicter isora. Hindi it is known as Macrophyllaceae. Family belongs to Sterculariaceae. This is a small tree growing in Madhya Pradesh, northwestern Indian and western peninsula. Is used for making rope, twins, and cottage. Some member of Marvaceae such as Hibiscus esculentus, Hibiscus tiliaceae, Cider extracta, Suspania exaltica, Apocyinum, Cannabinacum, and Asclepias syrica also yield fiber of commercial importance. Thank you.